Dear children, in this video we are going to discuss Unit 2 Project Cycle and the topic is Problem Scoping. Let us take an example of kimchi crisis to discuss various stages of the project cycle.
If you take a look at everyday Korean meal, you'll most certainly find one common dish, that is kimchi, a staple dish in every Korean meal. Any kind of food can be tied up with kimchi, just the rice, ramen, or anything else. Not only in the meal, kimchi is bound together with the Korean lifestyle as well. There is a refrigerator only designed for kimchi and can be easily found in any household. And even, according to the report by World Institute of Kimchi, annual kimchi consumption in Korea reaches up to 40 kg per person. How does a household prepare such huge amount of kimchi each year then? Usually around mid-November until December, South Korean households make their kimchi that will last for the coming year, and we call this season kimjang. People come together for this annual event and prepare their kimchi for their own family and even for others. And preparing for this event, people used to buy huge amounts of cabbages and other ingredients in advance. But things are not looking so good for this year's kimjang. Why is that? Last summer, South Korea went through an abnormally long rainy season as well as 3 major typhoons, and a widespread crop damage by the extreme weather caused a so-called kimchi catastrophe. The kimchi shortage came from the surged price in cabbage and other vegetables. According to the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs, the price of cabbage, which is the main ingredient of kimchi, is around $10 per head, increased 40% compared to the annual average price. Not only that, prices for other ingredients such as radish, chili pepper, spring onion, leek have all surged around 30 to 70% compared to last year. In a play on words, people refer to kimchi as kimchi, which is a compound word for gold and kimchi in Korean. The sharp increase in prices also affected the ready-made kimchi industry as well. Jongga, South Korea's top kimchi producer, has temporarily suspended its online sales because of the cabbage shortfall. Bibigo, another top kimchi producer, also suffered an output shortage of their kimchi. Then, how long will this crisis last? According to the Ministry of Agriculture, the price of vegetables and kimchi production is expected to stabilize by November. Luckily, the actual prices stabilizing indeed after autumn cabbages coming out. A head of cabbage now costs $4 to $5 and expected to fall by $1.5. With an earlier cool season this year, many Koreans are rushing to prepare for their kimjang, but it seems they will have to wait a bit longer.
What is problem scoping? It is the first stage of the AI project cycle. In this stage of AI development, problems will be identified. It is then followed by data acquisition, data exploration, modeling, and then evaluation. We are surrounded by problems. Problems could be small or big, sometimes ignored and critical. We are used to problems. These problems became a part of our life. Identify such a problem, a vision to solve it. Let us now start scoping a problem. There are many themes are available: environment, agriculture, traffic, infrastructure, health, security, education, digital literacy, women's safety, transport, entertainment, cybersecurity, travel and tourism, disability, social welfare and research. Identify the theme under which our case, that is kimchi crisis, falls under. There are 17 SDG goals. So based on that, select the topic according to the case. The 17 SDG goals are divided into 3 groups: environmental, social and economical. Our case, that is kimchi crisis, comes under environmental factor. And the goals to be achieved are decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water and life on land. Select any goal and try to achieve that particular goal. The ingredients required to prepare kimchi salad are the napa cabbage and the chili pepper paste and then fermented seafood salt, and at last we'll be preparing the kimchi salad. Got the news from various resources like traditional markets, departmental stores, and the large discount chains that the Napa cabbage prices are very low. That is, in the month of January 2006, it was 2,569, whereas in the month of August, it was increased by 5,303. And whereas in white radish prices were in the month of January 1291, whereas in the month of August it was 2279. Let us find the problem using the 4W problem canvas. What are the 4 W's? Here, first W is who, what, where, and why. The 4 W's problem canvas helps you in identifying the key elements related to the problem. Let us go through each one of the blocks one by one. First one, the who block. The who block helps you in analyzing the people getting affected directly or indirectly due to it. Under this, we find out who is the stakeholders to this problem and what you know about them. Stakeholders are the people who face this problem and would be benefited with the solution. Who are the stakeholders in this problem? The homemakers, fishermen, farmers, companies who are making kimchi and the eating kimchi. What do you know about them? Homemakers have their own family kimchi recipes that is passed over to the next generation. Farmers rely on Napa cabbage sales for their living. The next block is what block. Under the what block, we need to look into what you have on hand. At this stage, we need to determine the nature of the problem. What is the problem and how do you know about that it is a problem? Under this block, we also gather evidence to prove that the problem you have selected actually exists. Newspapers, articles, media, announcements, etc. are some examples. The first question is, what is the problem? We came to know that from the video that the crisis occurred due to the rise in the cabbage prices and unpredictability of Napa cabbages prices every year. How do you know that it is a problem? Is there any evidence? Yes. News articles, media, announcements, etc. are some examples or evidences for the cabbage prices rise. Now the next block of 4W canvas is where block. Who is associated with the problem and what is the problem actually is. Now we need to focus on the context, situation, location of the problem. This block will help you look into the situation in which the problem arises, the context of it and the location where it is prominent. Let us fill the where canvas. What is the context, a situation? The stakeholders experience the problem. The poor harvest of Napa cabbage and the kimchi making season. Where this problem occurred in southern Korea. We have finally listed down all the major elements that affect the problem directly. Now it is convenient to understand who the people that would be benefited by the solution are, what is to be solved, and where will the solution be deployed. These three canvases now become the base of why you want to solve this problem. Thus, in the why canvas, think about the benefits which the stakeholders would get from the solution and how would it benefit them as well as the society. Let us fill the why canvas. Why will this solution be of value to the stakeholders? To buy Napa cabbage at its lowest prices or best price? And how will the solution improve their situation? Allow homemakers to make more kimchi at a reasonable price. After filling the 4Ws problem canvas, we need to summarize all the cards into one single template. The problem statement template helps us to summarize all the key points into one single template so that in future, whenever there is a need to look back at the basis of the problem, we can take a look at the problem statement template and understand the key elements of it. Here, the problem statement template for our kimchi case is the stakeholders are the homemakers and the problem is cabbage prices are unpredictable and while they are making the kimchi and the ideal solution would be help them to predict the best time to buy Napa cabbage. In this way, we need to summarize the problem statement template. Our homemakers have a problem that cabbage prices are unpredictable while they want to make kimchi. An ideal solution would help them to predict the best time to buy Napa cabbage. In this lesson, we have learned about what is problem scoping and the 4Ws canvas, who, what, where, why, problem statement template, summary of the problem statement template. Thank you.